Welcome to Looking at the Markets. I want to show you the stocks that I'll be looking at for the coming week. These are daily candlestick charts provided by finviz.com. So let's start with ABV stock. ABBV is the stock ticker symbol. And we can see very clear support here. Finviz drew a horizontal line, and I agree with it at $135 for ABV stock. I do like the way it's coming down and then starting to curl sideways. Is it coiling to come back up? I don't know. But you know what? I'm not just going to jump in. I'm going to pick my price and I'm going to stick to it. And I hope you're doing something similar to that. Of course, you have to make your own decisions, do your own due diligence. Don't buy something just because somebody in a video likes it. But if this comes down to 135, that's some pretty clear support there. Look how high it bounced the last time it got there. John Deere. Deere stock, DE is the stock ticker symbol. Nice looking channel here. Deere stock is respecting that channel very nicely. And it's coming down to the bottom of it at around 400. Yeah, 400 would be pretty good. I'm kind of liking this one. I like an uptrend, but it's near the bottom of that uptrend. Buying a short-term dip within a longer-term uptrend, that could be a possible winner there. Chevron, CVX stock, we can see where Finviz drew the line. You know how sometimes a horizontal line can be resistance and then it becomes support sometimes? That may be happening here with CVX stock at $165. It's almost there, but not quite. So again, I'm going to pick my price and I'm going to stick to it. General Mills stock, GIS. And this kind of has a similar thing going on. We can see where the support is. It used to be resistance. Now it's support at $74. Will it get down there? It's pretty close already, but I'm going to be patient. You want to win this game of investing and trading? You got to be patient, that's for sure. You don't want to chase any trade. Let it come to you. HBI, Hanes Brands. And a lot of defensive stocks you'll notice I've been talking about lately, because those defensive stocks have gone down more than, like, let's say tech stocks, growth stocks, that type of thing, lately at least. So what is support for this one? HBI, Hanes Brands stock, we can call it $6. Support here because look at the bounce from $6 to almost $9 very quickly. And as soon as you think a stock can't get back to a support level after it went up, well, it's possible. Oftentimes in the stock market, it'll surprise you many times. And so $6 looks like support. I'm going to wait until it gets there before I consider making a move. Ambev, ABEV stock. This one's already at support. Bounced right off of it on Friday, off of that $2.50 level, $2.50. Nice bounce there. It's been there before, and look at the size of that rally. The last time it got to 250 or so, chopped around a little bit, and then boom. Could happen again. I'm looking at 250. Let's see where it is on Monday. And then maybe it can get back up to 320 or even 330. Those could be possible take profit levels, resistance levels, that kind of thing. Dominion Energy stock. D is the stock ticker symbol, easy to remember. And this one is also down to support, or it was on Friday and had a little bounce there. Yeah, it was a red day, but it held at that $60 level very nicely, where it came down to, chopped around, tried to bounce, came back down, but bounced again on Friday. So 60 is looking pretty good for Dominion stock. Could take profit at the resistance over here, resistance level being 85, and then start looking at 90. And finally, COP, ConocoPhillips stock. And this one might hold support at 110. Hard to say. That's a tough one because it bounced off of it here. It held 110 here for a few days and then bounced, but sliced down below it on Friday and closed below 110, more like $108 for COP, ConocoPhillips stock on Friday. So I want to see how it behaves. Maybe that's just a head fake. Maybe it will hold 110 in the coming weeks, days and weeks. We shall see. I do like a few things here, especially General Mills stock. If that gets down to, we'll say 74, that's looking pretty solid there. Pretty solid. I do like that one. And then this one, actually these two. Yeah, Ambev held support nicely on Friday, 250. That's looking really good. And Dominion Energy, yeah, holding that support there at $60. But I'd say my favorite is ABEV stock out of all these. You don't have to buy anything if you don't want to. It's your choice. But if I had to pick one, I'd say this one. Yeah, this one's looking really cheap. So, all right. Be careful out there. It's going to be a volatile market, possibly for the rest of the year, but volatility can bring opportunity. So thanks a lot for watching and listening. I will talk to you again soon.